This video will demonstrate how to remove and install a power supply from the rear of a DVX 2821 series display. To begin, you'll need to remove the rear panel to access the power supply. Refer to contract documentation for location of power supplies. First, disconnect all accessible harnesses. You may need to first partially remove the power supply to access some harnesses. Use a T8 to remove the top and bottom screws holding the power supply to the plate. Once these screws are removed, remove the power supply and disconnect any remaining harnesses. To install a power supply, ensure that cabling is clear. Then align holes in power supply and plate. Next, insert and tighten the top and bottom screws and connect any remaining harnesses.